Welcome. Today, part 10 of the chapter Progression for JEE Main, Advanced and for different state level joint entrance examination. First problem is 45 of this chapter, and the problem is in a triangle ABC, sine A, sine B and sine C are in AP. Then which one of the following is true? Number 1, altitudes are in AP. First option. Altitudes are in HP. Angles are in AP. Angles are in HP. So problem is very straightforward. In a triangle ABC, sine A, sine B and sine C, they are in AP, not the angles. Sine A, sine B, sine C are in AP. Then which of the following are true? Suppose this is ABC, triangle ABC. So this is side A, B, C, and height, altitude from A on side BC is say H1. Similarly from B to AC, this is H2, and from C to AB is H3. So given this, they are in AP. As because triangle ABC is fixed, so area of the triangle is equal to half A H1, half base into altitude. Similarly, it is equal to half into B into H2. Similarly, it is equal to H3. Say number 1. Therefore, once again, we have using sine rule, A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to 2R. So A can be replaced by 2R sine A. So this is equal to half into A means 2R sine A into H1 is equal to, by same approach, half into 2R, half and R will cancel, so that R sine B into H2 is equal to R into sine C into H3. So from this consideration, sine A is equal to, this cancels, sine A is equal to, equating with that, sine A is equal to delta by R into H1. Similarly, sine B is equal to delta by R into H2. Sine C Now you see, as sin A, sin B, sin C, they are in AP. Therefore, this, and that, they are in AP. Therefore, delta by RH1, comma, delta by RH2, comma, delta by RH3, they are in AP. Now, these three quantities are now in AP. Now, cancelling the common term or dividing throughout by dividing this, and that by delta by R, common factor, we can say that 1 upon H1, 1 upon H2, 1 upon H3, they are in AP. So that, and this is altitude, this is another altitude, third altitude. They are in AP. Therefore, we can altitudes, reciprocal of the altitudes are AP. Therefore, altitudes H1, H2, H3, they must be in HP. So, our second option is correct. Next problem. Problem number 46. Sum of 1 plus 2 up to n terms. Sum of this series up to n terms. Options: 2 to the power n plus 2 minus n minus 4. 2 to the power n plus 2 plus n minus 4. 2 to the power n plus 2 plus n plus 4. 2 to the power n plus 2 minus n plus 4. These are the options. Sum of this series up to n terms. Clearly, there is a relation. So, TR is equal to, for second case, if all terms start from 1, then 2, 2 square, 2 cube, etc. series of 2. So, TR will be 1 plus 2 plus 2 square up to 2 to the power R, which is equal to, this is in GP, 2 to the power R plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 to the power R plus 1 minus 1. Arif term. We have to find sum of first n terms. So Sn is equal to sigma of TR. R ranges from 1 to n. So that it is equal to sigma of 2 to the power R plus 1 minus 1 from R is equal to 1 to n. So that this is equal to, first term is 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Second term is 2 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3 minus 1, plus 2 to the power 4 minus 1. This way, last term is 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1. So there are minus 1 n times. So minus n. Now this is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 2 square up to 2 to the power n minus 1, because 2 to the power 2 is taken common, minus n is equal to 2 to the power 2. This is again an GP. So this can be written as next higher term, that is 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 minus n. So that 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 by 1 minus n. So that this is equal to 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 4 minus n. This is our answer. And you see, first option is correct. Okay, take next problem. Problem number now 47. The harmonic mean of the roots of question is harmonic mean of what? Of roots of this equation. It must have two roots. So harmonic mean of the roots is how much? Options 6, 5, 4 and 2. Suppose alpha and beta are roots of that. So we have to find the harmonic mean of alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, that is 4 plus root 5 by 5 plus root 2, and alpha beta is equal to this by that. So 8 plus 2 root 5 by 5 plus root 2. To find harmonic mean between alpha and beta. So harmonic mean must be equal to 2 of alpha beta by alpha plus beta. So it is equal to 2 into 8 plus 2 root 5 by 5 plus root 2 divided by alpha plus beta is this, which is 4 plus root 5 by 5 plus root 2. So they cancel, and taking 2 common from there, 4 into 4 plus root 5 by 4 plus root 5, so that it is equal to 4. So 4 is the harmonic mean of roots of this equation. So our option C is correct. Our next problem. Problem number now 48. Forty-eighth problem is, if ABC are in HP, then which one is true? Number one, 1 upon A, B, 1 by C in AP. AB, BC, CA are in HP. A by B, B by C, C by A are in HP, and 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in HP. Problem is that they are in HP. Then which one is true? So as because ABC are in HP, so 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C are in AP. Have the party of HP. Now multiply all the terms by a constant term ABC. So we get same result, ABC by A, ABC by B, ABC by C, they are in again AP. Now cancel say, so that BC, comma, cancelling B, AC, comma, AB. They are in AP. But now see option. Not possible, this is not possible. This one is possible. That is, they are in AP, therefore, one reciprocal, 1 by BC, 1 by AC, and 1 by AB, they are in AP. So this option is correct. That's the option D is correct. Next. Problem number 49. Three positive numbers form an increasing GP. Increasing GP. Means next term is more than term before it, and so on. If the middle term of the GP is doubled, middle term of the GP is doubled, the resultant series form an AP. Find the common ratio of the GP is options: root 3 plus root 2, 2 minus root 3, 3 plus root 2, and 2 plus root 3. These are the options. Once again I repeat the problem. One, 3 number form an increasing GP. So now if the middle term of the GP, increasing GP, is doubled, then resultant series form an AP. Then what is the common ratio of the increasing GP? Suppose these numbers are A, AR square is an increasing GP. So we must have r is greater than 1. Next, second condition is that if the middle term is doubled, then the resultant series is an AP, that is A 2AR, AR square is in AP. That is twice of that is equal to this plus that. That is 4AR is equal to A plus AR square. Cancelling A, we have R square, this R square, minus 4R plus 1 is equal to 0. A cancelled, and this minus 4R plus 1 A, after cancelling A. So this is a quadratic equation. We can very easily solve it. So R is equal to minus B plus minus root over B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. It is equal to 2 cancelling by 2. This is root over 12 means 4 into 3. So plus minus root 3. Now we get two answers, either 2 plus root 3 or 2 minus root 3. But as we call it is an increasing GP, so R must be greater than 1. Value of R, if we take value of R is this is not greater than 1. Hence, option is 2 plus root 3. So option D is correct. Next, problem is problem number 50. In a GP, sum of first n terms is x. Sum of first two n terms is 3x. Then sum of first four n terms. How much? Options: 6x, 8x, 16x, 15x. Achha, there is a GP not given, but given that sum of its first n term is x, sum of first two n terms is 3x. To find sum of first four n terms. Suppose A is the first term and R is the common ratio. From these two given conditions, x, sum of first n terms, A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. And from here, sum of first two n terms, 3x. 3x is equal to A into R to the power 2n minus 1 by R minus 1. Dividing this by that is 3x by x. This by that, so A will be cancelled, R minus 1 will be cancelled, 2 to the power 2n minus 1 by R, oh, not 2, this is 3, R to the power this by R to the power n minus 1. So that it is equal to 3 is equal to R to the power n minus 1 can be cancelled. So R to the power n plus 1. So R to the power n is equal to 2. Suppose we have to find sum of first four n terms. Suppose it is P. P is equal to A into r to the power 4n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now dividing this by that, this by that. So P by 3x, P by 3x is equal to A cancels, r to the power 4n minus r to the power 4n minus 1 by r minus 1 divided by r to the power 2n minus 1 by r minus 1. So this cancels and it is equal to, one factor will be cancelled, r to the power 2n plus 1, but r to the power n is 2, r to the power 2n is 4, তাহলে it is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So P is equal to 5 into 3x, it is equal to 15x. So this is correct option. Option B is correct. So let us stop today, and I request you to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.